Welcome back to Bobby Boyd Living. Today's a very special day. You know why? I am going to infuse my mom's just spaghetti sauce, but this is gonna be a little bolognese my way. Class begins. I'm gonna start it off, heat up a little olive oil in the skillet, do a little 2 fresh sprigs of rosemary, and the pancetta. We're gonna do our veg. 1 onion. So now I'm going to put this in the food processor. All right, put my onions in, 4 carrots, 4 celery, add the garlic, turn the heat up. We want this to sweat. I need to add my half a cup of red wine into the veg. All right, it's getting dry. Now you move this to the side. Now we're putting our meat in. Add that in the middle. I'm all up in your grill like a 1D interview. All right, temperature's on high because we want to break this up. Time to salt, bay, and pepper. But when you start to cook it, and you want the water to evaporate. You smell it, Jason? You smell what the rock is cooking? Are you picking up what I'm putting down? So tomato paste is to taste as well, but I do 2 heaping scoops of this. Yes. Do this first because you want it to break up. You want this to sweat as well. All right, now we mix it all in. I'm gonna do a little chicken stock. Now I add another half a cup of wine to my sauce. This is all flavor. Do that on medium-low now. Chill. We're also doing a TikTok live. So if I look like I'm not paying attention or perhaps I forgot to take my medication today, I didn't. Camera there, camera there, camera there. Voices in my head. So I'm kind of distracted. How are my parents? Well, my parents are in heaven. Do you mean Josh's parents? Perhaps. Perhaps. I don't know. It's getting awkward.
A few minutes later.
Mama is calling me. Is this? Oh, I was like, I thought this was my phone. I'm like, So I added like about a cup of milk, which I used to only measure it the way my grandmother taught me, which was by a coffee mug, but it was, you know, coffee mug from the 50s, so they were smaller back then. Bolognese sauce, you really should like cook it over 4 to 5 hours because it really does absorb all the flavors. But while we here, I don't rinse off my noodles. If you rinse off your noodles, great. I like the pasta sauce to stick to it. So I literally just take it from the pasta water. Look at that. There we go. There we go, mix that up. A little Parmesan. So now we're gonna taste it. One second. Life can begin. So this has been fun, making my favorite recipe, which is my mom's inspired bolognese because hers was a little bit different. Thank you to Le Creuset for the cookware again. I wanted to christen the cookware with something that was heartfelt, from the family, generational. That's today's episode. Thank you for watching. Try the recipe. Come on, it's from my mom. She'll haunt you. Oh, that's a little deep. Try the recipe. It's from my mom. It's been in the family for decades. It's delicious. You'll thank me later, and you might get laid. Happy Friday.